and today I'll show you 20 machines you've probably never seen, but they're making everyday people rich in 2025. Let's dive in. Machine 1. Vegetable Slicer Machine. This compact machine slices vegetables fast, ideal for food vendors, restaurants, or anyone selling prepared produce. It handles onions, carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, and more, reducing manual labor and waste. Sell fresh-cut veggies to busy households or offer prep services to small eateries. Bundle with packaging and start your own local produce brand. Consistency is key, and this tool delivers it with every rotation. This machine costs around $250, can earn $70 to $140 daily, which means you could break even in just 2 to 4 days of regular operation. Machine 2. Mobile Toilet Cleaning Machine. Not every business is glamorous. This one cleans public toilets, and it's one of the most dependable, least talked about income streams out there. It's needed in hotels, office buildings and hospitals, bus stations, airports. The list is endless. This machine uses suction, pressure washing, and deodorizing in one compact unit. Partner with sanitation services or offer it as a contract-ready vehicle. It's not pretty, but it's reliable, needed, and pays steadily. This machine costs about $2,800, can earn $150 to $300 daily, which means you could break even in just 9 to 18 days of steady bookings. Already seeing the opportunity here? Hit subscribe for more machines, quietly making people rich. A friend of mine launched a side hustle with Machine 5, and within weeks, he made $2,000. You won't want to miss that machine. Stick around. Machine 3. Curb Painting Machine. Perfect for road maintenance crews, parking lot owners, or local municipalities. This machine paints clean, bold lines along roads, parking bays, and curbs. It works on asphalt, concrete, or paving blocks, and cuts labor in half. Paint services are in constant demand from malls, schools, and gated communities. It's a simple idea that keeps paying. Partner with real estate developers or property managers, and offer regular repainting contracts. This machine costs about $1,200, can earn $100 to $200 daily, which means you could break even in just 6 to 12 days of local work. Machine 4. Vinyl Cutter Plotter. This machine cuts designs from vinyl sheets, perfect for making stickers, signage, decals, window lettering, and custom labels. Local businesses, shops, and even schools need custom signage constantly. Offer a walk-in service or take custom orders online. Combine it with a heat press or print setup for even more value. It's compact and easy to learn. Design, cut, peel, it's that simple. This machine costs around $320, can earn $80 to $160 daily, which means you could break even in just 2 to 4 days of steady orders. Machine 5. Electric Sugarcane Juicer Machine. This compact juicer crushes raw sugarcane into sweet, fresh juice, a high-demand product in hot regions and growing urban markets. Set it up at a roadside stand, in a food court, or near schools and markets. Add lemon, ginger, or mint for variations and charge more per cup. It's fast, easy to clean, and pulls in crowds. Great for hot weather and health-focused customers. This machine costs about $450, can earn $100 to $200 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 5 days of juice sales. Machine 6. Mini Oil Press Machine. This small but mighty machine extracts natural oils from seeds like peanuts, sunflower, sesame, or palm kernels. It's perfect for launching a cold-pressed oil business, or selling to neighbors who prefer local, unprocessed cooking oil. Add packaging and branding to sell in shops or farmers markets. It runs quietly and operates with minimal supervision. Healthy oils are in demand, and this machine keeps it flowing. It costs about $490, can earn $100 to $180 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 6 days of steady pressing. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. The oil press is all about nutrition, but Machine 10 shocked me the first time I saw it. Don't miss it. Machine 7. Rebar Bending Machine. This machine bends steel bars for concrete reinforcement, a crucial service in construction. Contractors, builders, and metal suppliers use it to shape rebar for homes, bridges, and foundations. You can offer bending services by the piece or contract, with small construction crews that don't have equipment of their own. It's simple, rugged, and always in demand. Construction never sleeps, and neither does this business. This machine costs around $1,300, can earn $150 to $300 daily, which means you could break even in just 5 to 9 days of booked work. Machine 8. Mini Coffee Roaster Machine. This countertop roaster transforms raw coffee beans into aromatic, roasted perfection. Use it to launch a micro-roastery or create your own custom blends for local cafes, markets, or online stores. Add a grinder and vacuum sealer, and you've got a full small batch coffee business in a box. Fresh coffee sells, and people love supporting local brands. Experiment with roast profiles, flavors, and packaging. This machine costs about $200, can earn $30 to $50 daily, which means you could break even in just 4 to 7 days of roasting and selling. Machine 9. Noodle Making Machine. Fresh pasta is a daily essential in many communities, and this machine helps you make it fast. Press and cut noodles for restaurants, homes, and grocery stores. Offer different shapes and flavors, spinach, wheat, spicy, and serve up variety to your market. You can package and freeze for resale, or sell directly to food vendors. It's a cart business with a strong appetite. This machine costs about $400, can earn $80 to $150 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 5 days of steady production. Machine 10. Plastic Shredder and Recycling Machine. Turn discarded bottles, wrappers, and containers into shredded plastic for resale or reuse. This machine helps reduce waste while creating a new raw material stream. Partner with recycling centers or local makers who need shredded plastic to create 3D filament or molded products. Clean, profitable, and environmentally responsible. Communities, businesses, and governments support this kind of work. This machine costs about $1,600, can earn $120 to $250 daily, which means you could break even in just 7 to 13 days of full capacity operation. Stick around and hit subscribe. These machines get even better. I met a guy running machine 12 and he earns $1,000 per month with it. Stay tuned to find out what machine it is. Machine 11. Shoe Cover Making Machine. This machine produces disposable shoe covers for hospitals, labs, factories, and clean rooms. As hygiene standards rise, demand is growing in healthcare and industrial settings. Sell bulk packs to clinics, pharmacies, cleaning services, or supply shops. It uses non-woven fabric rolls and seals each pair automatically. With packaging and consistent supply, you can become the local go-to for protective gear. Low competition, high repeat orders. This machine costs around $850, can earn $100 to $180 daily, which means you could break even in just 5 to 9 days of continuous production and supply. Machine 12. Handheld Coding and Batch Printer. Print dates, QR codes, barcodes, or batch numbers on boxes, bottles, and pouches with this handheld printer. It's portable, simple, and great for small manufacturers who package their own products. Serve local food brands, beauty businesses, or workshops that need traceability. You can even offer mobile printing services by the hour. It prints on paper, plastic, metal, or wood, anything you can pass under the print head. This machine costs about $280, can earn $60 to $140 daily, which means you could break even in just 2 to 5 days of steady orders. Machine 13. Cardboard Box Folding Machine. Every e-commerce seller needs boxes, and this machine folds and shapes flat cardboard sheets into sturdy packaging fast. Serve small online sellers, local delivery services, or use it in your own small-scale packaging business. You can offer short-run custom boxes, printed labels, and inserts as extras. It's ideal for startups who need low-volume packaging without paying bulk factory prices. This machine costs around $320, can earn $80 to $160 daily, which means you could break even in just 2 to 4 days of local box folding. Machine 14. Large Format Printing Machine. Print banners, signage, product labels, or wall stickers with this wide format printer. Sell to schools, marketers, political campaigns, and small businesses who want visible branding. This machine handles vinyl, fabric, and coated paper rolls for big, bold visuals. Offer personalized orders online, or serve walk-in clients locally. Pair with design services for even more value. This machine costs about $1,800, can earn $150 to $300 daily, which means you could break even in just 6 to 12 days of full-time production. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if custom signs or packaging got you excited. I met someone who bought Machine 18, and in a week, he made $500. Make sure you stay tuned to find out what it is. Machine 15, Grain Grinding Machine. Grind maize, millet, sorghum, or spices into flour or powder with this compact mill. Sell fresh flour to bakeries, families, or market vendors. You can offer stone ground, organic, or custom spice blends. These machines are especially popular in rural communities or small towns where large mills are too far away. Quiet, durable, and very low maintenance. It turns basic ingredients into a steady product line. This machine costs about $420, can earn $80 to $160 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 6 days of steady operation. Machine 16, Digital Weighing Scale with Label Printer. This scale doesn't just weigh food, it prints custom labels with barcodes, prices, and product names in seconds. Perfect for butcher shops, delis, grocery stores, or farmers markets. It's compact, accurate, and helps small sellers operate like pros. You can sell the units or offer setup and configuration services. Many shop owners struggle to digitize. This tool gets them there fast. This machine costs about $360, can earn $80 to $150 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 5 days of active use or sales. Machine 17, Rubber Stamp Making Machine. Schools, offices, and agencies all need custom stamps, and this machine creates them in minutes. Just upload a design, adjust the size, and press. Offer date stamps, logos, signatures, or ink-ready seals. Serve government offices, banks, or small businesses that need branding. You can operate this business from home or even on-site by appointment. Add delivery and bulk order discounts for repeat customers. This machine costs around $280, can earn $60 to $140 daily, which means you could break even in just 2 to 5 days of custom orders. Machine 18, Industrial Ice Cube Making Machine. This machine produces large volumes of clean, clear ice cubes for restaurants, bars, caterers, and street vendors. It's especially valuable in hot climates and areas with unreliable power. Package and sell ice bags to local shops or deliver direct to events. You'll never be short on demand during warm seasons or weekends. Add branding and insulated delivery for higher margins. This machine costs about $1,600, can earn $120 to $250 daily, which means you could break even in just 7 to 14 days of full capacity operation. Machine 19, Rice Mill Machine. This compact rice mill removes husks and polishes paddy into clean, ready-to-sell rice. It's perfect for small-scale farmers, co-ops, or entrepreneurs who want to start a packaged rice brand. Offer milling services to neighbors or sell directly to local markets. Add branding, packaging, and distribution, and you've got a full business. It's simple, essential, and profitable. This machine costs around $480, can earn $80 to $160 daily, which means you could break even in just 3 to 6 days of steady milling. Machine 20, Paper Plate Making Machine. Disposable paper plates are in constant demand from street vendors, caterers, and events. This machine stamps them out by the stack, using eco-friendly sheets or recycled pulp. Sell in bundles to food stalls, supermarkets, or party planners. It's quiet, low energy, and great for building a sustainable business from home. You can offer custom shapes or print branding for higher profits. This machine costs about $750, can earn $100 to $180 daily, which means you could break even in just 4 to 8 days of consistent operation. You've just seen 20 powerful, low-profile machines making people rich in 2025, and most of the world still hasn't heard of them. Hit subscribe for more business ideas that are built on solid ground. And if you want even more easy startup options, check out our other video on 20 profitable, boring machines you can buy today.